How to get 1099 NEC online. Follow the instruction. Go to the IRS website or use a trusted e-file provider like Tax 1099 or Track 1099. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Choose the option to file a new 1099 form. Select 1099 NEC from the list of available forms. Enter your business or payer information. Enter the recipient's name, address, and Social Security or tax ID number. Enter the amount you paid the recipient in Box 1, Non-Employee Compensation. Review the information for accuracy. Submit the form to the IRS electronically through the platform. Choose how to deliver the recipient's copy, email or mail. Pay any filing fees required by the platform. Download or save a copy of the filed form for your records. Thank you for watching.